write the first 5 terms of a sequence defined recursively. If we're talking about a sequence that's defined recursively, we're talking about a sequence that is based on the previous term to get the next term. And so when you do that, usually you're given one term or more than one term, and then you're given a pattern of how to find the next term using the term before it. So this a to the k plus 1 is telling you that's how to find the next term. And you do that by using the term right before it, or the term that you have, and subtract 4 from it. So if I'm given a1 is 25, and I want to do the first 5 terms of that, I use this definition to find those terms. So the first term is 25. The next term is 25 take away 4. What is that? 21. Do you follow how I got that? All right, I want to change how I'm writing this. So A1 is 25. A2 is 21. A3, what do you think? How do I get from one term to the other? I take the term before it and subtract 4. So 21 take away 4, 17. A4, do 17 take away 4. What do you get? 13. A5, take away 4 again. What do you get? 9. So there I have the first 5 terms of a sequence that was defined recursively. Recursively means by using the term before. Now, I'm going to do one more example that's a little bit different. Again, a recursive sequence. Okay, here we go with a second recursively defined sequence. All right, this one is defined by doing the sum, AK, is the sum of k minus 1 and k minus 2. So, if I wanted a sub 10, it would be the sum of a sub 10 minus 2 plus a sub 10 minus 1. That would be a sub 8 plus a sub 7. All right? So, in this one, I want the first 5 terms. So, term a sub 2 is 3, a sub 1 is 2. So, let's start with a sub 3. And what is it? All right, a sub 3 is equal to a to the k minus 2. So, 3 minus 2 plus a to the 3 minus 1. This is a sub 1 plus a sub 2. So A3 equals A1 plus A2. What is A1? 2. What is A2? 3. So A sub 3 equals 5. All right, so there's an answer. A sub 3 is 5. What if I want to do A sub 4? It's defined by A sub 4 minus 2 plus A sub 4 minus 1. So A sub 4 is A sub 2 plus A sub 3. So A sub 4 equals A sub 2, which is 3, plus A sub 3, which I just found out is 5. So A sub 4 is 8. You follow how to get that? You want to do a couple more? All right, let's move the screen down so I can do a couple more. All right, so let's do A sub 5. A sub 5 is equal to A sub 5 minus 2 plus A sub 5 minus 1. I always go back to the recursive definition that they told me to use. So A sub 5 equals A sub 3 plus A sub 4. And what's A sub 4? That's 8. And A sub 3 is 5. So A sub 5 equals 5 plus 8, which is 13, right? How do I do A sub 6? It's defined by A sub, do 6 minus 2 plus A sub 6 minus 1. So that's a sub 6 equals a sub 4 plus a sub 5. And what are a sub 4 and 5? Well, a sub 5 is 13. A sub 4, where is it there? 8. So a sub 6 equals 8 plus 13, which is 21. So that's how to use find a sequence when it's defined recursively. Recursively means by using the terms before it. So every term that I get is based on the terms before it and based on some little formula of how to use those terms. So you have a couple of these on the homework. Good luck.